Every new year, the governor has to address the joint session and he has to read the speech prepared by the cabinet. That is constitutional because 176 of the Indian Constitution, Article 176 of the Indian Constitution and 163 of the Constitution says he or she, governor, shall read the speech prepared by the government or cabinet. Today, instead of speaking the speech prepared by the cabinet, he spoke the speech prepared by himself. That against the Constitution, provisions of the Constitution, Indian Constitution. It clearly violates Article 176 and 163 of the Indian Constitution. Therefore, it is not going to be the speech of the governor. He has not discharged his duties as per the Indian Constitution. He has not discharged his responsibilities as prescribed by the Indian Constitution. Therefore, we are going to protest against the attitude of the speaker. Governor, sorry. Governor.
Are you going to approach the Supreme Court Constitutional Bench again?
We are examining to approach the Supreme Court or not. We will let you know.